So now let's see how we can use the text wrapping option inside of our image options right here in Google Docs. So over here, we already have our image, and if we were to click on image option, you get this, the text wrapping option. So by default, this is in line with the text, meaning this itself is treated as a letter. So if I were to go over here, keep it somewhere over here, you can see that as this continues right here, after the sentence, the picture appears, and if I were to resize this right here, it is actually treated like any other letter right here. If I were to type in, you can see that this moves forward, and this is the inline with text option right here. So this is the default option. If you want other styles, then you can go for wrap text, and once you go for wrap text, what happens is that the text wraps around the picture, and then this formats it right over here. So this is more of a better presentation, as you can see right here. So you can go around and you have the option, like inline option is here as well, and this is the wrap text option as well, just like that. And the other option you have is break text, as you can see right here. So let's go on with the wrap text option first. And over here, you can see that in wrap text, it's on both sides right now. So if I were to keep it on the center, you can see that it wraps around both of the sides. But if I were to go over here on left side only, then the text is only on the left side. And if I were to click on right side, then it goes on the right side, as you can see. If I were to go on the top, you can see that you can change around the spaces as well. So let's go to both sides. If I were to go over here, you can change around the space. So you can decrease out the space right here. So it's very, very tight. I can increase out the space as well. And if I were to go on to the right, I can increase out and decrease out as well. Increase this out from the bottom, decrease this out as well, just like this. And this one is for the top. So you can increase out or decrease out from the top right over here, just like this. So you can just move this around over here, just like that. And now what we can do is we can work around with the margins, just like this from here, or we can go over here onto margin and choose the margin from over here as well, just like this. And you can fix position onto page right over here, just like that, or you can go for positioning options right over here as well. So this is something we're going to cover up more on the next lesson. So let's just go over here onto text wrapping right now. And these are the inline with text, wrapping text, and break text option right here, which just breaks out the text onto top and bottom, just like that. And then you can go around, increase out the top margin and the bottom margin, just like that over here, as you can see. And that is how you can work with text wrapping options inside of Google Docs. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.